Hi, I'm Scott with Home Perfect Restoration, and in this video we want to talk about wildfire seasons approaching and what you can do to make your home defensible, but also how to be prepared in case you end up in an evacuation zone. So one thing that you can do is keep your home clear of dead debris, anything that could be flammable, dry leaves, sticks. Keep that clear of your property within a 30-foot distance from your house. Make sure that your landscape is not overgrown. Prune your trees 6 feet high and just kind of keep everything off of that ground area that could be an ignition source with embers flying. You also want to make sure that your gutters are clear, especially clear of leaves, sticks, and all that dry, flammable material. You want to make sure that your home is accessible to first responders, especially if you're in wine country areas or up in the mountains. Allowing the first responders to get to your home quickly by keeping your trails clear, trees from being overgrown to where they can't get their big trucks in the area, that's going to help them. Another thing that you want to do is have an emergency preparedness bag ready to go. And that could just be some emergency toiletry items, passports, IDs, credit cards ready to go if you are coming into an area where there's wildfires in your surrounding area and you could possibly be evacuated. If you need information, check out our Facebook page. We have an emergency evacuation checklist that you can reference so you don't forget things, because a lot of people forget their prescription medication or having their credit cards or their registration for their vehicles, things like that that you may need in order to relocate for a period of time. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 951-303-1333, and you can also contact your fire department to see what steps you can take to help in a wildfire event.